Today I'm going to show you the Christian bridal gloves range in our gown store, white gown store, Christian bridal store. And you can say, if you search on Google, that you can say to search it like white gloves for brides also. We have a huge collection in our store for the white bridal gloves. See these, we have a lots of variety in our store. uh, Long gloves, short gloves, and elbow size gloves. See, this is the new collection which is in ready stock in our store, bridal gloves. Now I will show you the gloves with the prices and the quality. I will let you know in the same video. You can search us on Google with the searching gownlink.com, Christian bridal gloves, Christian bridal gown. Now I'm going to show you the first gloves. This is the gloves which the brides wear on her wedding day in her hands. The price is 575 rupees. It's in ready stock. The gloves with the two pair. This is a long beautiful pearl gloves. See, with the lace flower and the high quality lace work. And the price of this gloves is 675 rupees. This one is for 560 rupees with the stone work and the lace and some flower work is over there. And this is a elbow size gloves. The cost is 650 rupees with the stone and lace work. This is for 730 rupees. This is still elbow with the crochet work. This is a long glove. It goes above the elbow, and the price is 675 rupees with the pearl work and the bow on the middle of the hand. See the high quality gloves. These are the long netted gloves. These are above the elbow gloves. See, these are with the finger gloves. These are with finger gloves. And the cost is 475 rupees. These are with finger gloves. This is the main and the very beautiful satin cloth work gloves. Cost is 650 rupees. See the pair. This is above the elbow, almost till arm, you can say. Now we are going to show you the gloves which comes till wrist. This is a very beautiful gloves with the bow work and the stone work, and the cost is only 550 rupees. Now next is this gloves with the stone work and the sequence net on it. You can see 450 rupees. These are with finger gloves, short gloves with finger, and the cost is 550 rupees. 415 rupees. See these beautiful gloves ready in our store. These are all the gloves are, let me tell you the visitors, these are the gloves which are including shipping and GST charges. No extra charges you have to pay. These are the fixed prices. And now again I'm going to show you the gloves which is completely with the pearl and sequence work with the crochet work, and the cost is 800 rupees. It's a very high quality and beautiful design glove, and 550 rupees. This is the cost is for 550 rupees. This is also till wrist, and this one is for 650 rupees with the net, crochet, and the lace work. You can see the resham work on it. Yes, so now we have huge range of Christian bridal gloves. You can contact us on the given number You can see the description written on it. Please check it carefully. We have a huge range of white bridal Christian wedding gloves. See. So here I am going to end the video. Please visit our website gownlink.com and subscribe and like all the videos, especially for Christian bridal gowns and especially for Christian bridal gloves.